My dear children, how are you? Are you fine? Okay, thank you. I am also fine. Dear students, before few days we had come across with the new lesson, the healthy life, and you had all learned new words and their meanings also with so many pictures. I hope you have all understood the meaning of all the words. Let's continue the further part of this lesson. Are you ready, children? Okay, why not? Let's start now. Dear students, I would like to read the lesson now. Please, all of you, listen carefully and very attentively and give your complete attention towards the pronunciation and the manner how I read the lesson and all the sentences and all the words. Please listen to me carefully. Healthy life. Pedro Pablo Sacristan. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing, and leaping about. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good moods. All this made one of the witches furious. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. One who drinks it would lose the desire to live. So that night all the witches gathered in the forest. Can we repeat it again? Okay, why not? Healthy life. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing, and leaping about. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good moods. All this made one of the witches furious. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. One who drinks it would lose the desire to live. So that night, all the witches gathered in the forest. Dear children, can we review the words? How to read the words? M-A-N-Y, many. Y-E-A-R-S, years. A-Z-O, ago. E-V-R-Y-O-N-E, everyone. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. All of you repeat after me, like me. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. V-A-R-I-T-I-E-S, varieties. How should you read, children? Varieties, very good. F-O-O-D, food. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. And dear children, I will mark the words how to read them. Please be attentive. See here, vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. exercises, exercises. enjoyed, enjoyed. How should you say, children? Enjoyed. imagine, 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 like this you should pronounce. furious, furious. Say after me, furious, furious. witches, witches, witches. together, together, together. Say after me, together. suggested, suggested. Say after me, suggested. prepare, prepare. prepare, prepare. Repeat after me, prepare. potion, potion, potion. gathered, gathered. Say after me, gathered. desire, desire. Say after me, desire. You should pronounce all these words like this. Can we know the meaning of this paragraph, children? Okay. So many years ago, all the people were very strong. They were doing work day and night, and they were too happy, and they were very healthy. Why? Because all those people were eating fruits and vegetables much. They were not eating junk food like bread, biscuit, pizza, burger, and so many fried eatables. Only they were eating good food. Good food means roti, chapati, rice, and fruits and vegetables. All this type of food made all those people very strong and healthy. And also, besides this, they were doing exercises. Exercises means they were every day walking, they were jumping, playing so many games, leaping, and they were doing lots of exercises every day. So the exercises made them very strong and healthy, and kept all those people very smiling forever. With this reason, the earth was the healthiest place. There was no other place other than this earth which is called healthiest. Children, which was the healthiest place? Yes, the earth was the healthiest place. Why were the people strong and healthy many years ago? Very good. They were eating good food, fruits and vegetables, and they were doing exercises every day. So they were strong and healthy. Very good answer, children, from you. I didn't expect. Thank you very much. And but one of the witches means that's an insect. That's a germ. Always its work is destroying the people's mood, destroying the health of the people. That kind of germ ಒಂದು ಕೀಟ ಅದು ಹೀಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮಜೀವಿ ವಿಚಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ That witches felt very greedy and very contemptuous. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಿಚ್ಚು ಬಿತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್, ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಭಯ ಆಯಿತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗೆ, ಕ್ರಿಮಿಗೆ. ಜನರು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾನು ಬದುಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಭಯ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಯಿತು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ದ ವಿಚಸ್ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ವಿಚಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಡ್ ಟು ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ all the witches in a place, and they wanted to create a potion. They planned to prepare potion. Potion means it's a poison. ಅದು ಒಂದು ವಿಷ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಪೋಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ವಿಷವನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು, ಜನರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿಷ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪೋಷನ್ was to be supposed to destroy the health of people. One who drinks that potion, they would lose the desire to live. They start to waste the time. They start to eat junk food. They start to stop doing exercises. All these bad things will be done by the potion if anyone drank it. So, dear children, this is the meaning of these two paragraphs. Dear children, can we know what are the good things for keeping healthy and what are the bad things to destroy our health? Can we glance over them? Eating food. See here. Eating fruits, vegetables and drinking milk keep us healthy. ಹಣ್ಣು ತರಕಾರಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದು, ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿಯೋದು, ಇದರಿಂದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸಸ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. If we do every day the exercises, it will help us keeping our health very strong. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹ ಸದೃಢವಾಗಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡೈಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ, ಕಸರತ್ತು ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ, ಹೌ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಬುಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಸರ್? Yes, there is fact. If we read good books, if we read good articles, if we read good poems, it will keep our mind healthy. It will make our mentality very strong and calm. It will provides our heart and mind soothe and cool. Our mind will get relaxes. Okay children, ಸೊ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ. ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಓದೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮುದ ನೀಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಸದೃಢವಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ದೇಹ ಕೂಡ ಸದೃಢವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಾತ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಕರೋನಾ? There is no doubt everyone should be listened towards the corona. The main things are to avoid that corona: washing hands, keeping distance and wearing mask properly. Did you hear about it? So washing our hands keep us hands clean and also avoids the germs to enter our body while eating the food. If we wash our hands neatly and clearly, it will protect our body from entering germs into our body. So we should wash our hands every day and take bath daily. We should get bath every day. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ತೊಳಿಬೇಕು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದೊಳಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿಗಳು ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಆಗುವುದನ್ನು ಅದು ತಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ all these are measures, all these are the ways to keep our body healthy and strong. Okay, let's look at these things which are bad for our health. First one, eating junk food and ice cream is bad for health. This is absolutely right, children. You are all fond of ice cream. You like very much ice cream and junk food, pizza, burger, bread. Huh? Is it right, children? Yes, but you should avoid them. Why? Because eating ice cream in dirty places keep us unhealthy. Playing in mud, playing in dust, playing in garbage will affect your health because there may be so many germs, there may be so many insects. So you should avoid playing in dirty places. If you play in the mud, if you play in the ground, when you come back to your house, please clean your hands very well with good soap and uh, hand wash gel. You all known about them. It will avoid the germs which are covered in your palms. Okay, so dear children, so far you have learned which are good for health and which are bad for health. Right now we will move directly to the homework, children. Can you solve this homework? There is nothing but just simple work I have given you, filling in the blanks with proper answers. First one is, see here, many years ago people were dash and dash. You should read the lesson and only you should read two paragraphs which I have dealt so far. Okay, you will find the answer. Read again and again if you don't know the answer. Okay, you will find definitely what are the answers to this question. Second one, the dash was the healthiest place. Which was the healthiest place? You should mention here. Next, third one, they were strong because they took daily dash and ate dash and dash. Okay. Next, watching television is dash for our health. Eating fruits and doing exercise is dash for our health. So, dear children, please go through the first and second para, read 2 times, 3 times, and more, and understand what is the meaning of those paragraphs. And also, I have already dealt with those two paragraphs. So, please solve this homework and show to me uh, writing in your notebook. I will check and suggest you if any errors I will find, and you will get more information in the next video. Thank you very much, children. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot, everyone.